everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I am bringing you this soft pink makeup tutorial, which is what I'm wearing on Valentine's Day, and actually tonight as I'm filming it today too, because I am on my way to meet my parents for some dinner, for a Valentine's Day dinner. As soon as I thought about this year's makeup look, I wanted it to be a little bit more feminine, flirty. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm gonna start off by dusting off this baking. I am reviewing the Fenty Beauty foundation in this video, so this is a little sneak peek. I definitely want to get these brows in check first. So I'm going in with my goof proof pencil really quickly. I feel like this is gonna be like a chit chat talk through video. I haven't practiced what I'm gonna do yet. I never do, actually. I never practice my looks before I go on camera. They just turn out the way that they turn out. Sometimes they go as I plan and sometimes they don't. But I wanna do this video more of a chit chat talk through video more than technique. So for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using a recent purchase, which is the Modern Renaissance palette, and it just looks amazing. Let's open her up and see what we got going on here. I've always wanted to try this palette out. I just never got around to it, and I finally have it. There it is. Isn't it so pretty? This does come with a brush. It's a double-ended brush, and this could come in handy in a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the blending side of this, and I'm gonna go into Raw Sienna right here. Ooh, very pigmented. And I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelids, just like so, but focusing it on the crease of my eyes. Now with the same little blending brush, I'm gonna go into Burnt Orange. I'm gonna apply this directly on the crease of my eye. I want this to be a very, very simple look. Anyways, this is George and I's 3rd year anniversary of being married, and every year I feel like we're just celebrating our happiness together. He makes me so happy. My only wish in life is that I can show him how much I love him, just as he shows me how much he loves me every day. I think that is always what I'm working towards. Right now, as I'm filming this, we are both off from our jobs and focusing completely on each other, which we don't get to do very often because our jobs are very time consuming. We're just hanging out at home. We were gonna go out of town, but we decided last minute to just stay home and go shopping and, you know, do little simple things that we don't get to do every day because we're at work. Now I'm gonna apply Buon Fresco all over my lids. Yes. So now I'm just blending this shade into the other 2 shades that we laid out previously. And so far, I have no fallout with this palette. And I'm doing it all with this little brush that they provided here, so I'm really happy about that. Now with a flat synthetic brush, I'm gonna go into Vermeer right here, which looks like a satin, more like a satin than a shimmer, but it could be a shimmer. And I'm gonna put this right here, right in the center. Going back in to that blending brush. And I'm gonna go over this shimmer shade tad bit. Very, very nice. And I think I'm done with my lids. Now I'm gonna put this shade called Tempera. I'm gonna put it at the highest point of my brow. Okay, that's very intense, but we'll work with it. And then with this same blending brush, I'm gonna blend it out. We're going on a double date with my parents. Ever since we moved, I feel like we don't see my parents very often. Before we work on the lower lash line, I want to remove all the baking. If any fallout was caused by the shadows, that would have picked it right up. I found these really pretty lashes. They are light, flirty, wispy lashes. Before I apply falsies, I want to go curl my lashes and apply a coat of my favorite mascara, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back and my lashes are on, and now I'm gonna work on my lower lash line. I'm gonna take raw sienna and burnt orange and work it into my lower lash line. Then over top of that, I'm gonna go in with Buon Fresco. I love these lashes, by the way. They look so pretty. Now I'm gonna apply some lower lash mascara. This is just the Extended Play Lash by MAC. And that is that for my eye makeup. I love how it turned out. For blush, I'm going to be using this blush called Skillful, which is just a very light blush. And I'm just going to apply that very, very lightly. I just want a flush of color. Now going in with the Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit, I'm going to go into Forever Young. Just very, very lightly. Now I'm going to go into Kitty Cat, and I'm going to put this in the inner corner of my eye. And for my lips, I got this matte lipstick set from the checkout line at Sephora. And the one that caught my attention for this look in particular was the shade Soft Pink. So let's just find it real quick. Oh, perfect. First one I pulled out. So this is what it looks like. But I think I'm gonna have to tone it down a little bit. So I'm gonna grab something from the KKW using the shade Kimmy. Let's see how it works. I'm going for more of a taupey shade, just like a soft pink, not this pink. So I think I'm gonna remove this. So maybe Kiss is the right one. This is it. With all the pink going on, I think a soft pink nude is the way to go. I love the formulation of this lipstick. It is matte, but they smell weird. So that is it for my Valentine's Day makeup look. And if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.